Karakshalo Tripura University wo Techno India College of Engineering Agartala te Swedish Jagaran Montane Loazimung by Kaisa seminar songsajak rizaka asal seminar nokrai okra ngai 5 months of faika hakotor ne manganang economist are Sundaram asalo kognarna ne thangai borong shrangnai te shrangnai juk songno rong shrang mongne logiwo baniani bokhagobo samangkhlaina ne bagai koimong khlaika baniani kabangma topic no teibu koksha kabo kognarang wo bosaklaika Mumbai City wo je sep sap tongo amusuk angyafano ama haisai te kisafano Agartala butongna ni nango botai busaka covid ni jorawa hakotor ne economic bahai angkha avon nogui ni manka haste ni sikli rone bania ni sep ni bagai haste ni wani manai rok kaisa kotor yakuma angai mano khane shaka ar Sundaram tamone hinke hakotor te fatra haste ganangoino wani manai rok ni demand belaino kaham.
So I am happy that this MOU signed in front of me. Bamboo is your specialty, and there is demand for bamboo products from all over the country. So this is where my organization can help. We can take the products of Tripura to the rest of the country and contribute to your well-being. Similarly, where some development takes place in any other part of the country, we can always transfer it back to Tripura. So this type of collaboration among the different states of the country and among the different regions of the people should also take place. Today, the memorandum of understanding is a very, very important step in this direction. It's also academic business cooperation. Normally, research people will function in here, and then business people, they will do their own business. So if these two people combine together, the academia business qualification, a lot of innovations will take place. The costs will come down. The quality of the products will improve. So this is also a very, very important initiative, and happy that this institution has taken up this.
Iagulo koktuma thumnai rok by kok samani jarawa ar Sundaram saka Agartala wo avahai seminar of 5 rang srangnai rok by kok ma samani bagai belai khana khatong thokja khanai.
I am very happy to be in the historic town of Agartala, Tripura University. This program is to instill the spirit of entrepreneurship among the students. Out of 140 crore people, our organization wishes that at least 50 crores should emerge as the most successful entrepreneurs in the last decade. So as part of preparing students for this great initiative, we have been conducting programs throughout this country, and today I am here in Tripura University for this purpose. The program was attended by hundreds of students. They have all listened with a very lot of attention, and I am sure at least 50-60 people from out of this will emerge as successful entrepreneurs. And Agartala is a very, very important town. We know the importance of it, and we will do everything to upgrade this town.
Asal seminaro Tripura University ni Professor Ganga Prasad presente University ni kabangma bedek ni rang srangnai rokbu 5 months of 5 Bureau Report Kok Kharang.